Bless up.
Ghost Gang family, what is up with y'all young boys today? I'm coming back at y'all with another video, and it's lit, man. It's lit. All-Star Weekend is coming up. I know y'all excited to see the dunk contest, three-point contest, the All-Star game. I'm pretty excited to see the All-Star game. It's sad that my nigga Boogie Cousins got injured. He can't play in the All-Star game. And also my nigga John Wall. That sucks, but it's still gonna be a good game. Some people think LeBron got an OP team, which is overpowered team other than Curry, but I think LeBron team looks good on paper, but honestly, in all reality, you know, Curry got niggas that play like him. Like, he got all shooters. So it's either you gonna take the dunkers or the shooters. That's how I see it in 2K. Either you gonna shoot the ball, you can dunk the ball, man. Shooters gonna win. Shooters gonna shoot, and they might outshoot LeBron's team. But I'm still team LBJ, so it is what it is. But anyways, man, I want to talk about a few shoes that might be releasing in All-Star Weekend. Well, one guaranteed shoe that's releasing in All-Star Weekend, and that is the Curry 4s. Now, Curry 4s is probably the best looking Curry that he has out to date, like point blank period, man. I mess with the Curry 4 a long way, you dig what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, man, it's releasing February 16th for $130, bro. $130 for a hooping sneaker for like a hyped up player. Like, you can't beat that. You know, most hyped up players be having, you know, $200 sneakers, LeBron, you know what I mean, Jordan. But anyways, yeah, man, Curry got a $130 sneaker, bro. It looks like a good hooping sneaker. The upper looks like a mesh. You know, you got an icy bottom, but yeah, man, good hooping sneaker. If you want it, man, February 16th, that's your date. Go get them. The best All-Star shoe. Well, not the best All-Star shoe, but the best looking Under Armour shoe I ever seen that Curry has released. If you like, if you fucking with these shoes, this is a copper drop. This is the L or W for the year 2018, man. Let me know in the comment section. I fuck with them. I would get them. But anyways, man, let's get into some hype beast stuff, man. We got an Undefeated and Nike collab, man. They trying to collab with the Kobe 1, the PROTRO camos. Now, the Undefeated is like pretty much the most hyped next to the Supreme streetwear that you could get, you feel me? So Undefeated want to team up with Kobe and Nike to do a collaboration shoe. Now, these Kobe 1s are hard. These are hard. This is a hard Kobe silhouette, to be honest, in my opinion. I'm not too sure about the release details because they're saying it's not confirmed, so they don't know if they're gonna release them yet. But if they do, man, just trust me, bro. I will try to get my hands on a pair of these, bro. Like I told you, man, I'm going for nothing but hyped shoes, bro. I don't care. I'm hype beasting it 2018. All 2018, I'm hype beasting it. You feel me? You do what I'm saying? But anyways, man, spell that like button if you hype beasting it in 2018, man. But like I said, bro, the Undefeated times Nike, bro, that's a super hype collab. I know these are super limited, gonna sell out in like 2 seconds. But anyways, man, let me know if you guys are copping or dropping the Currys or the Undefeateds. I will bring y'all some more videos about the upcoming All-Star shoes. I know I didn't see the LeBrons or the Kyries, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop soon, man. Make sure y'all spam that like button for 50 likes. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the kid. You dig what I'm saying? But anyways, man, you already know who it is. It is the one and only MajorKixx gang.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03.